Hey there, marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting video in store for you. We'll be exploring the fascinating world of AI marketing and delving into some real-life case studies that unveil the secrets of success. If you're ready to be inspired by the incredible possibilities of AI in marketing, let's jump right in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the marketing landscape. By leveraging AI technologies, businesses are able to gain valuable insights, personalize customer experiences, and optimize their marketing efforts like never before. In this video, we'll be highlighting some extraordinary case studies that showcase the power of AI marketing and the exceptional results it can achieve. Let's kick things off with our first case study. Company X, a leading online retailer, implemented AI-powered personalization strategies to create tailored experiences for their customers. By analyzing vast amounts of customer data, such as browsing behavior, purchase history, and preferences, they were able to deliver personalized product recommendations to each individual. The results were astounding. Company X saw a significant increase in customer engagement, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, a substantial boost in revenue. This case study exemplifies how AI-driven personalization can truly make a difference in capturing customer interest and driving business growth. Now, let's move on to Company Y, a global marketing agency that utilized AI-powered predictive analytics to optimize their ad campaigns. By analyzing historical campaign data, customer demographics, and behavioral patterns, they were able to identify the most effective ad placements and target their audience with precision. The results were remarkable. Company Y experienced higher click-through rates, improved conversions, and significant cost savings. Their case study demonstrates how AI-driven predictive analytics can transform marketing campaigns, ensuring better ROI and reaching the right audience at the right time. Our final case study takes us to Company Z, a telecommunications provider that implemented AI-powered chatbots for their customer service operations. These intelligent chatbots handled routine inquiries, provided instant support, and even learned from customer interactions to improve their responses over time. The impact was incredible. Company Z achieved reduced response times, enhanced customer satisfaction, and significant cost savings by automating their customer service processes. This case study showcases the immense value of AI-driven chatbots in providing efficient, personalized experiences for customers. In conclusion, these case studies highlight the transformative potential of AI in marketing. From personalized experiences to optimized campaigns and efficient customer service, AI is revolutionizing how businesses connect with their audience and achieve outstanding results. As marketers, it's crucial for us to learn from these success stories and explore how we can integrate AI into our own strategies. By leveraging AI technologies, we can unlock new opportunities, enhance customer experiences, and drive remarkable outcomes in our marketing efforts. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found these AI marketing case studies inspiring and insightful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on the latest trends and strategies in marketing. Thank you for watching, and remember, the secrets of success are waiting to be unveiled through the power of AI in marketing.